Hello there, I'm Kitlaika, your personal computer inventor. Born in the late 20th century, I've been one of the most transformative inventor in modern history. My journey began in 1970s and 1980s, when companies like IBM and Apple brought me to life. Since then, I've grown and evolved into an essential part of your daily life. Let me take you on a quick tour of my story. In the 1970s, I've emerged from the shadows of a room-sized mainframes. Before me, computing was a luxury reserved for governments, scientists, and large corporations. But I changed that. With the introduction of machines like Altair 8800, Apple II, and IBM PC, I brought computing power to individuals, small businesses, and classrooms. I democratized technology. In the 1980s and 1990s, I became the star of home, offices, school projects, and even gaming nights. Software like Microsoft Windows and productivity tools like Word and Excel helped you work smarter. Video games, I powered those too. Let's not forget the internet, your gateway to connected world. By the mid-1990s, I was your ticket to websites, emails, and digital chats. Fast forward to today. Look at me now, sleek, fast, and smarter than ever. I'm in your homes, your pockets as smartphones, and your wrists as smartwatches. But no matter how much I change, my purpose stays the same. Empowering you to explore, create, and connect. So what's next? Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, quantum computing. I'm here for it all. I'm evolving with you and for you. I'm the I'm Kitlaika, your companion in innovation for decades and many more to come. From the clunky beginnings to the slick machines you see today, I'm proud to have been a part of your story. Thanks for choosing me.